Greetings to all, welcome to Alpha Palliative Care Daily News. Behind the 1 rupee, 1 life clay pots provided by the Alpha Kutnath Center to schools, there is a touching story of empathy, beyond the aim of training children in patient care. The volunteers from the center and the Students' Association of Palliative Care make a special effort to share this story with the children, along with the beautifully painted clay pots placed in their classrooms. The creators of these pots are an octogenarian couple, Kuttappan and his wife Shanta, who live near the Shivkami Amman temple on the banks of the Pampa river in the village of Thalwadi. A secondary objective of Alpha's Clay Pot initiative is to help this couple, who make their living creating earthenware despite their physical ailments. Their hands, weakened by age, and their fading eyesight have not yet stopped this couple from pursuing their livelihood. In the past, potters were the artisans of every village. Apart from vessels, other creations, including house construction, would also emerge from their wheels. While the dominance of new technologies challenges their very existence, Kuttappan and his wife Shanta are becoming the last links of a bygone era. The workers at the Alpha Kutnath Center feel a sense of satisfaction that this initiative has also helped children become familiar with the couple's story and the history of the region. As part of the construction of its own building, the Alpha Kutnath Center was visited by architect Dr. G. Shankar, a Padma Shri awardee and chairman of Habitat Technology, Thiruvananthapuram, and an expert in eco-friendly construction. He arrived at the center this morning and was welcomed with flowers by the center's officials and staff. He then spoke about his vision for eco-friendly construction. He informed them that they were committed to designing a building that suits the natural environment of Kutnath. Officials from Habitat also accompanied him. He was presented with a sculpture created by Surendran, who is receiving physiotherapy services at the center after suffering a stroke. Dr. Shankar shared his own experience of surviving a stroke. He advised everyone to continue their lives with the understanding that there is still much to do. Center officials Chandramohan Nair, Kunjamon, Nirmala Chandramohan, Kaleshwaran, and staff members were present. 10 second-year BSc Psychology students from the Arush Club at Prajyoti Niketan College, Pudukad, visited the Alpha Palliative Care Ollur Center. Secretary C.J. Joji and Treasurer M.J. Davis spoke about the center's activities. Physiotherapist Anu explained the functions of the Palliative Physiotherapy Department. Senior nurse Preeti spoke about home care and other services. The visit was led by Community Welfare Officer Vismaya Venugopal. This concludes the news. Jai Hind.